Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best commercial garment steamers available on the market today for their true quality and performance. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium powerhouse, this video will help you make the best choice. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So, let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Jiffy Steamer for clothes, priced at an affordable $109.99. This garment steamer combines functionality with budget-friendly pricing, making it a great entry-level option. With a powerful 1800-watt output, it heats up in just 30 seconds, delivering steam at 248 degrees Fahrenheit to tackle even the toughest wrinkles. The 2-liter detachable water tank provides up to an hour of continuous steam, while the double-pole design ensures stability during use. The steamer also features 10 adjustable ironing modes, suitable for a variety of fabrics, from delicate silk to heavy linens. In terms of design, the Jiffy steamer boasts an upgraded aluminum alloy double-rod construction for added durability and stability. Its 10-hole spray head delivers fine steam, ensuring consistent results without water stains. The versatility of flat and hanging ironing methods makes it perfect for both clothing and household items like curtains and bed sheets. However, the build quality feels slightly less robust compared to higher-end models, and its 10.36-pound weight may feel a bit bulky for some users. Overall, the Jiffy steamer is an excellent choice for casual users who need an affordable yet functional garment steamer. Its quick heat-up time and generous steam output make it ideal for light to moderate use. However, if you're looking for a steamer for frequent or commercial use, you may want to consider higher-ranked models in this video. At number 4, we have the Jenaely 1500-watt standing garment steamer, priced at $139.96. This steamer offers a solid mid-range option with impressive features that cater to both home and light commercial use. With a fast heat-up time of 35 seconds and a powerful 1500-watt output, it delivers up to 80 minutes of continuous steam. The 2.8-liter water tank is one of the largest in this price range, ensuring fewer refills during extended steaming sessions. The included children's hanger and pants clip add versatility, making it suitable for a variety of clothing types and household items. Design-wise, the Jenaely steamer features a sleek black and silver finish with an upright build for stability. The electronic pump system prevents water spots or leaks, which is a common issue with lower-end steamers. This thoughtful design makes it ideal for delicate fabrics like silk and wedding dresses, as well as heavier materials like curtains and upholstery. While the steamer performs well overall, its larger size and 16.32-pound weight may not be ideal for users who need something portable. The Jenaely steamer is perfect for families or individuals who need a reliable steamer with advanced features at a reasonable price. Its long steam time and anti-spurt technology make it a standout in its category, though it might not match the durability or power of higher-end models. If you need a versatile, mid-range steamer, this is a great pick. Coming in at number 3 is the SALAV heavy-duty commercial garment steamer. Although its price isn't currently available, this model is designed for both commercial and home use. With an impressive 1,800 watts of power and a 3-liter water tank, it offers over 90 minutes of uninterrupted steam, perfect for large steaming tasks. The wide bar support frame and telescopic aluminum pole enhance stability, while the foot pedal control adds convenience. It also comes with rolling wheels for easy mobility and includes attachments like a fabric brush and pants press. The SALAV steamer stands out with its robust design and practical features. Its translucent water tank makes refilling straightforward, and the 45-second heat-up time ensures efficient operation. The multifunctional hanger is ideal for handling a variety of garments, including suits, dresses, and drapes. However, its 12-pound weight and taller build may feel slightly cumbersome for users with limited space. This steamer is a fantastic option for those who need a heavy-duty model capable of handling larger tasks. Its commercial-grade performance and thoughtful design make it an excellent investment for small businesses or households with frequent steaming needs. However, if you're looking for something more compact or lightweight, consider one of the other models on this list. At number 2, we have the Jiffy Steamer J-2000, priced at $243. This model is a reliable choice for home and light commercial use, offering premium build quality and performance. With a 1300W solid brass heating element, it heats up in just 2 minutes and provides an impressive 1.5 hours of continuous steam per filling. The 3/4 gallon water tank ensures fewer refills during extended use, while its durable plastic outer housing and automatic shut-off safety feature add to its appeal. The J-2000 is designed with simplicity and reliability in mind. Its high-impact plastic construction is both lightweight and durable, making it easy to maneuver. The 6-inch wide steam head evenly distributes steam, effectively removing wrinkles from clothing, drapes, and upholstery. While the steamer performs exceptionally well, its longer heat-up time, compared to other models and slightly higher price point, may deter some buyers. The Jiffy Steamer J-2000 is ideal for users who value reliability and ease of use. It's perfect for home use or small businesses that require consistent steaming results. If you're looking for a durable, high-performing steamer with a reputation for quality, this model is a great choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Jiffy Steamer J-4000, priced at $322.88. This premium garment steamer is built for heavy-duty use with a powerful 1,500-watt Incaloy heating element and a durable die-cast aluminum outer housing. The 1-gallon water tank provides extended steam time, while the standby and steam settings offer flexibility for different tasks. The 6-inch wide plastic steam head and 5.5-foot flexible rubber hose make it easy to reach all areas of your garments. The J-4000's design is robust and built to last. It features 360-degree swivel casters for mobility and reaches standby temperature in just 15 minutes, making it ideal for professional environments. The steamer's solid construction ensures durability, though its larger size and longer heat-up time may not be suitable for casual users. At 0.01 ounces, its lightweight steam head provides precision without causing fatigue during extended steaming sessions. The Jiffy Steamer J-4000 is perfect for professionals or businesses that require top-tier performance and reliability. While its higher price point may be a drawback for some, its durability and advanced features make it the best choice for demanding steaming tasks. If you're looking for the ultimate garment steamer, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed comparison of the top 5 best commercial garment steamers. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.